Welcome back to our channel. Today we are uncovering fascinating secrets about elephants. A newborn elephant weighs about 100 kilos and can stand within minutes of being born. An elephant's tusks are actually teeth, and they grow throughout their entire life. After birth, the milk of a mother elephant has a slightly pink tinge due to a rich iron content. Despite their size, elephants are excellent swimmers and can paddle for hours using their trunk as a snorkel. Elephants often sleep standing up, but when they feel safe, they lie down. And yes, they snore. Birds communicate by flapping ears, swinging trunks, and rumbling in ultra-low sounds that humans can't even hear. Believe it or not, some elephants can actually paint with their trunks, showing off amazing intelligence and control. Without sweat glands, elephants rely on mud baths and dust showers as natural sunscreen, protecting their skin from heat and insects. Their wrinkled skin isn't just age, it's survival. Wrinkles trap water and mud, helping elephants stay cool 10 times longer. Their enormous weight and build make elephants the only land mammals that cannot jump. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Intelligent Hive for more awesome learning adventures. See you next time!